Hello everyone, welcome to the series of science lessons. In this presentation we shall study about the sky. Sky. When you look up at the sky, you can be able to see tiny dots. Those are the stars. Sometimes we may even able to see the planets when you look up at the sky. And one thing which I forgot to mention is we can also see moon during night and early morning. There are so many things in the space. We can see only a part of it during night or during day. After studying this lesson, we will know about the sun and its family, understand the shape and size of earth and the movement of earth, the reasons for phenomena like day and night, know about meteors, asteroids and comets, understand the movement of moon and its phases, understand why earth is a unique planet. Yes, of course, every planet is unique. Sun and its family. Sun and other planets, asteroids and many other celestial bodies composes a solar system. Solar system consists of 8 major planets, around 173 satellites, thousands of asteroids, meteoroids and comets. We shall see what are asteroids, meteoroids and comets in the later part of this section. Even today scientists are discovering many celestial objects. Stars are self-luminous celestial bodies. That means they give out light of its own. There will be many nuclear reactions happening in those stars. So they emit light and heat. They are called self-luminous, whereas planets such as Earth is a non-self-luminous body because planets do not give out light and heat of its own. Solar system is a part of a galaxy. Galaxy is a collection of many stars and other celestial bodies. Our star, that is Sun, and solar system is located in Milky Way galaxy. This is just a name given to a cluster of celestial objects. We can see a part of Milky Way from Earth. We can see many stars in our Milky Way galaxy. These tiny dots are generally the stars. Like this, even Sun is also a star. In the solar system, Sun is located at the center. Sun exerts a gravitational pull to all its members which is revolving around it. Or even if some objects come from other place, Sun will have effect on that object also. The gravitational pull effect will also have on that object also. Sun provides light and heat. There will be nuclear reaction happening in the Sun. Consequently, light and heat is a product of those reactions. Sun appears to rise in east and set in west. Sun appears to rise in east and set in west. Imagine Sun is located here. Earth is rotating from west to east. Now let us wait for India. You can see light is lighting up slowly, gradually in the east direction. So the Sun seems to rise in east and set in west. Planets. Every planet around the Sun revolve around the Sun. You can see every planet such as Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter and so many other planets revolve around the Sun in an elliptical path. You can think elliptical path as a circle which is squeezed. If we squeeze a circle, we will get an elliptical path. Planets and other celestial bodies which are present around the Sun revolve in an elliptical path around the Sun. Planets are non-luminous bodies. They do not emit light or heat by its own. Earth. Earth is our home in our universe. There are so many planets, asteroids, comets and other celestial bodies in the universe. Earth is a planet where we live. This is our beautiful Earth. Shape of the Earth. Generally, we think that Earth is completely, purely spherical in shape, but it is not. Instead, Earth is in geoid shape. It is like a spherical ball compressed a little bit, squeezed a little bit. You can see the equatorial diameter, 12,757 kilometer. But when we see the distance between the diametrical distance between the North Pole and the South Pole, the distance is 12,714 kilometer, which is slightly lesser than this part, equatorial diameter. Earth is not purely a spherical body. Earth is little squeezed at North Pole and South Pole. Here we can see all the known planets revolving around the Sun. The movements of Earth. Earth has two movements. Earth rotates from west to east, and Earth revolves around the Sun in an elliptical path. As we discussed earlier, Earth rotates from west to east, day and night. During Earth's rotation, one side of the Earth face receives sunlight, the other part will be dark. Since Earth rotates from west to east, the Sun appears to be rise in the east and set in the west. Sun appears to be rise in the east and set in the west. Earth is marvelous. Of course, every other planet is also marvelous by its own. We are living on Earth. That means something special about it. The content of this recording is borrowed from Karnataka Textbook Society, Bangalore, under Fair Usage Policy. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.